Gareth, good to see you back in Wales. But first of all, I mean, how are you settling in Spain?
Yes, it was obviously a little bit of a slow start with obviously not having a pre-season and getting a few niggly injuries. But yeah, that's out of the way now, and yeah, I feel I've settled in very well. Everybody at the club's been very helpful. The players have been great with me, and yeah, and I'm starting to play my football on the pitch now, and yeah, enjoying the whole of the life in Madrid.
You and Ronaldo seem to be scoring goals for fun at the moment.
Yeah, no, it's great. I think when you play with the best player in the world, it does make life easier, and yeah, to be playing with him and the rest of the team is massive for me, and yeah, I'm enjoying every minute of it.
You said it was a dream come true for you. Is it what you expected? Or is it bigger?
Yeah, it's everything and more. I think it's just amazing to be there. I think the stadium, the fans, is just incredible, and yeah, it's just I want to kind of keep playing and keep doing well, and hopefully win trophies at the end of the season.
You have family and friends coming over every now and again?
Yeah, everyone's coming over. Everyone wants to see the games and things like that, and come to the nicer weather. So no, it's brilliant for me. I'm enjoying it, and long may it continue.
Yeah. How is your Spanish? I won't test you. Don't worry.
Yeah, don't put me on the spot. But no, it's coming along. I'm learning slowly. I think the main thing is to get my head down into my football first, and then all the rest will come after. So yeah, I've started a few lessons and learning a few words, but yeah, I think it's going to take a bit of time.
You mentioned the nicer weather. What's it like being back here in Cardiff in Wales?
Cold. No, it's always great to come back and play for Wales and see all the boys and stuff. So no, it's always an honour, as I say, to play for my country as well, and yeah, something I'm looking forward to do every time I pull on a shirt.
I think that's an important message to get across. I mean, obviously it's a dream move, Real Madrid, you're playing in the Champions League and everything, but in terms of the pride and passion you've always shown for your country ever since you made your debut at 16.
Yeah, it's every footballer's dream to play for your country. There's no bigger honour, and every time I put on the shirt, I'm always willing to give 110%, and same for everybody else who does. And yeah, I think we're heading in the right direction now. We've got a good group of young players, and yeah, we're starting to see some results, which is positive, and yeah, I think we've got a bright future, and hopefully we can just get a lot of support behind us now. All the fans and everybody in the media believe in us and push us in the right direction, and hopefully we can achieve something we haven't for a long time.
Because in terms of the profile you have now with the club and the price tag and everything, that's only good for the image of the game in Wales, isn't it? Because you're Welsh, well known all over the world now.
Yeah, hopefully it helps Wales in the long run as well, and yeah, I think for me personally, I think now we really want to kick on in as a team, as a whole, as a country, and I think we want to get back to the days where we were filling up the Millennium Stadium with 75,000 fans and almost qualifying for tournaments, and we actually want to qualify now. So I think we've got the team to do that. I think if the whole nation, everybody gets behind us and starts believing us, putting positive things in our heads, I think we have the right team to make this happen now.
I'm not sure if you saw the last two games. Obviously, you weren't playing, but you must have been impressed with the Macedonia win and the draw in Brussels with a very depleted squad, which maybe shows we've got a far deeper pool of players than maybe we thought we had.
Yeah, definitely. I think obviously people sometimes get a bit angered when there's injuries, but I think that gives opportunities for other people to stake a claim, and when they do that, it makes the squad that much stronger, and it kind of gives us more belief that if there are injuries, we can count on other players, and they definitely did that last trip with, I think there was maybe 9 or 10 injuries. So yeah, I think everything's looking positive. We know we have to keep working hard as a team every time we meet up, and yeah, something we're dedicated to, and hopefully we can just keep battling on now and do what we want to do.
Young Harry Wilson came on, broke your record, so that's one that's gone. But you must have brought back memories for yourself. I mean, it's quite daunting, but for yourself when you're 16 playing for your country, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. It's one of them experiences where I think sometimes you're a bit too young to realise what's going on, but it's one of them that you can always look back on and have a great memory of. So no, it was obviously great to see him come on and get his first cap, and hopefully now he can kick on himself and yeah, hopefully get in the squad a bit more regular, and hopefully then push in for a place and make the team stronger.
good base of a squad. You all know each other, they've been with each other since under 21. Chris Coleman's going to signing a new deal, so there'll be stability on the managerial side for one thing or another. That's not something you've had maybe at international level. We've had a few managers over the last few years, so that's good to get that continuity going through to the next campaign.
Yeah, definitely. I think in previous times, under John Toshik, he done great for Welsh football, bringing us all up through, and yeah, I think all of us here now, most of them, he gave us our debut. So yeah, he's obviously very good, and I think now we can we have the right team, we have the right age for every player, and now with obviously the manager signing a 2-year contract, we've had a year with him now to get used to things, and hopefully now we have a bit of stability and continuity in the training and games that we can actually stamp our authority. Everybody knows what they're doing. There's not new ideas coming in all the time, and yeah, something we're all looking forward to.
Just finally, a couple of questions in terms of European Championships 2016. Massive ambition, I suppose, for you, achieving so much at club level. Still, international level would be great, wouldn't it, to be part of a Welsh team, either a European Championship finals or World Cup finals? Yeah,
definitely. That's the aim, not just for me, but for everybody in this squad. I think we realise we have a chance. I think more teams can qualify now for the Euro 2016, is it? So yeah, there's an even more chance now that we can qualify, and yeah, we see that as a big goal and something we want to take advantage of.
And it will be good against Finland and the year on an international way on a high with a win.
Yeah, definitely. It might be a friendly to everybody else, but to us, we want to win the game. We want to, I suppose, get our seeding as high as we can for the draw of the Euros, the qualifying. So yeah, we'll be going into this using it as another game to practice and prepare ourselves and get ourselves better for future games.
That's great. Thanks a lot, Gareth. Hope your season goes from strength to strength.
Thank you.